Hey fans that we don't have. Since the booster box isn't coming in anytime soon, I just went to the local card shop and got these. I'm hoping I get something good, but I doubt it. Okay, so let's start. Really sorry about the setup right now. It's pretty crappy, but there's literally 2 cardboard boxes and what? Come on now, come on. Okay, we don't need that. It's fine. It's all good. 1, 2. I think that's a card trick. There you go. There you go. That's right. That's right. Okay. So we got a Golurk, Persian, Baltoy, NK, Gomi, Rotom. I already have one of these. Sceptile, Spirit Link, Vespiquen, Energy Recycler, and a Vileplume rare. So that sucks. Next, we got our Phantom Forces. Hoping I'm getting a Mega Gengar or a Mega Manectric. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay, so we got Munna, I want to say Fletchling, Finneon, Litleo, Mukro, Zweilous. I wanted this card so bad. Woo! I really wanted this card. Oh, and I finally got. Oh, sweet. Okay, awesome. Finneon reverse holo and oh, we got another. Oh, I did the card trick wrong. I guess. Yeah. A Leopard, whatever that's called. Gliscor is a rare. Not good pulls, but I got my Zweilous, so I'm pretty psyched right now. Anyways, next video, it's gonna, oh yeah, next video is gonna be a Team Rocket booster pack from the 1990s. Should be fun to open. Alright.